back with another video. Today we will be making Atlantic salmon. That's what we're making today, some Atlantic salmon. With some rice and some biscuits. I'm gonna try to do a full meal. This is my first time cooking this. I've seen it be made, so hopefully I can go through it and make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to cut the fish open. So I'm about to cut the package open, wash the fish off, season it like I did the chicken before. If you ain't seen that video, go check that out. That was just some thrown together chicken, you know, just last minute I was hungry, so I cooked it. So we got some, but we got the salmon, we got some rice. I got the water boiling right here. It's on low right now. I just turned it on. About to butter that up for the biscuits. This gonna be for the fish. This where we seasoning that. So after I rinse it, we gonna get through it. You know what I'm saying? Get to seasoning the fish. So today I'm using basically some of the main other stuff that I used on the chicken, except I'm adding some Old Bay, and that's probably it that I didn't use last time. Yeah, that's most likely it. And I'm still not using garlic. But so we got black pepper, onion powder, sea salt, parsley, a little lemon pepper, some more dash, garlic salt. Always got the Lawry's. Some paprika, and like I said, some Old Bay. You need to re-up on this, to be honest. Or, you know what, comment below some more seasons you think I should add, because obviously it's more than this out there in the world. And I'm looking for Tajin, T-A-J-I-N. I didn't see it at Walmart, but maybe they got it somewhere else. So if you know, let me know. But also comment some other seasons you think I should get. But so we about to season this up, throw it in a pan after I put some butter in it. I just turned it up for the water, so hopefully that's about to be boiling in a minute. And I need to preset the oven for the biscuits. All right, babe, so we got the biscuits, the biscuit tray set up. We got that boiled. We got the biscuit set up boiled. Biscuit set up buttered. Biscuit set up buttered. We got the butter for the rice in there. We got that going. I turned it up a little bit, so hopefully, like I said, it'll be done in a minute. And then we got this going, see, just in time and started moving. That's about to butter this skillet up while I season this. All right, so let me take these tops off. So we got the tops off on them. About to spread this butter a little more. I told you, I gotta look at it like while I'm doing it, like on the outside of the phone, because otherwise it's gonna be. Hit that like that, boop, boop. Somebody probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's so much butter. Shut up. Shut up. Just be quiet. Shut up. Gotta make sure it don't stick and burn and all that extra stuff. So, yep, hitting that up. Boop, boop, boop. Slip and slide on. Boop, boop. Hey. Alright, so I forgot to do that. Actually, I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit right quick. Just to give me a little more time to season this. So I'm gonna start with it. It don't even matter the order, my just boop, hit that like that. A little across. Boop, 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 boop. Like that. And yes, I will be back up a little bit so you can see that. I will be rubbing this in like I did the chicken as well. Kind of rushing just because I don't want that butter to burn. Because at first I was in a rush to try to get it to melt. Now I realized I have to season this. So I kind of wish, wrong side, kind of wish that I would just use the time that I had before turned on the stove. I'm just talking about nothing. But obviously, as you can see, you know, put enough on it to where it's tasteful, not bland. Or, I mean, if you got eating restrictions, obviously do what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? Because don't nobody need no high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, all that other stuff. About to spread that again right quick. Just saying, hurry up. Yeah, let me turn this down a lot more, cause I'm low-key wasting butter. I ain't gonna lie, that's low-key wasting butter. I don't think I did I ain't do the lemon pepper. I don't forgot what I did already. I did most of this stuff. Did the paprika, I just gotta do the Lawry's. And I gotta do the Old Bay. And if you were wondering, no, I am not cutting the skin off of the other side. Oh, you know what? I need to cut some lemons. Yeah, we getting like that. We getting active like that. We getting lemons. So let me get this situated with that and all the other stuff with the rubbing and the lemons and all that stuff. That's still going. That's probably got a few more minutes. So let me get this going before I waste some more butter. Peace with you. All right, so we hooking and booking now. So what I'm about to do is I just seasoned and rubbed that in. I poured the rice up in here. Still got to put the biscuits in there because I was cutting lemons, but I'm about to do that next. I promise. But about to flip this to the skin side, let that do its thing, and then start some more of that rice, and then we're gonna cut it and put some lemons around and do some things with that, and I'll show you in a second. Alright, so I'm not even gonna lie. I had the hardest time trying to flip this fish because I forgot to get the tongs ready. So when I was trying to do it, it made them slits right there that I'm pointing at. So what I decided to do was just put some fresh lemons in it to give it a little more zest and flavor. I had to stir that rice up right quick because, you know, that was getting stuck and everything. And we don't like stuck rice at all. That's not good for you. But I'm mixing and mashing that up, about to get something else going there. I'm about to flip the fish and cut it up. So I just cut the fish in half and stood it up so I can get that uncooked side going. That one piece would not stand up and it was getting so irritating. The rice was getting done. I just had to stir it up a little more. I know that rag ain't supposed to be there, but whatever. I'm about to get it in a minute. The biscuits are in there, so they all good, so I ain't got to worry about that. I just got to worry about not messing the rest of this fish up. Make sure that rice don't burn and stick to the pot, and then we all good. But I'm about to just flip this fish and I'm about to be done with it in a minute. All right, so we about to hit them with the Benihana butter rice right quick. About to throw me some seasonings in here too. And then we should be good on the rice. And then gotta get this on the sides. And then we're gonna check on the fish is like about done. Just so me when we can end up. Fish most likely gonna be done. I'm about to cut that into some more pieces right quick. Make sure it's good all the way through. And then we about to be eating. So I got the biscuits pulled. Rubbing some butter on the top, you know what I'm saying? Get them boys. I wasn't really on there. There we go. Rubbing some butter on the top. You know, Popeyes, they don't give you butter on the biscuit. They just give you a dry biscuit and then, you know, coughing your lungs up. Damn, I keep missing. That should be straight on the. Get these few dry spots, man. I threw some seasoning in the rice. I ain't telling you what, because I ain't giving you all my secrets. And I turned the stove off for the salmon. Yeah. Actually, I'm about to turn it back on because I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is right there. In the salmon. That white stuff. So I'm actually about to cut it. Actually, I'm about to flip it while it's still hot. Hold on. And there you have it. We got rice, biscuits, and salmon. All by your boy. Nah, this is the first time I did salmon, but I've had this meal before, so that's why I just decided to make it. It's just rice and fish and biscuits. But let me know if you've made salmon before. Let me know if salmon is your favorite fish. If it's another fish you think I should go out there and try to make. I've made tilapia and catfish before. I can do videos of that. I probably will if I ever go buy some. But like I said, trying to do something different, trying to get out of my comfort zone. I don't like cooking because it takes so long, but recording it somewhat helps it probably pass the time because I'm doing something while I'm kind of like waiting for it to be cooked. So, about to go in here, about to eat this, about to watch the rest of this first episode, the season premiere of Stars. I'm gonna keep the thought to myself. I'm gonna keep it to myself because it might come true, it might not. If you know, I'll put another video up, and that's how you know. But about to go finish watching Stars. About to eat. School starts in 3 days. Summer is over, bro. It's done. And I didn't do that much, but it is what it is. So yeah, catch me next time. Peace.